Okay, good morning, people. Today I'm replacing the inner components of my toilet tank because my plumber, whom I've been using for years, told me that he was going to charge me $250 to replace the flush valve and the fill valve in my tank. And I was like, shit, I could do that my damn self. So I purchased this all-in-one kit from Home Depot for $19.99. $19.99. Let me say that again. $19.99. All right. Yes. So I decided, I could do this. Okay. So a hard part of it was getting the tank off the bowl. Okay. So let me show you how I got my tank off the bowl. So I got the tank off the bowl. I had to remove the nuts and everything. And that blue stuff that you see right there, those are those little tablets that you drop in the toilet. Those things I'm learning are not really good to put into your tanks. I think those Clorox tablets help to speed up the process of my flush valve corroding, because they're just not good for it. And look at this shit right here. This is from the developers. They didn't even bother to, whatever. But anyway, so yeah, I'm replacing this myself because I'm getting my bathroom. This is my guest bathroom. I'm getting it remodeled, okay? So why would I go and pay $250 to get this kit put into this tank, okay? All right, so your girl Ruth decided that she was just gonna do it all on her own. And I'll show you all videos of the complete project and pictures just as well. And I'm really making these videos for my sisters because we could do a lot of this work ourselves, okay? All right. So I put the flush valve on, as you can see, and I put in the nuts and bolts, the new nuts and bolts. I would suggest that if you're replacing one part of the components in the tank, you might as well replace everything, because the kit comes with everything. Or you can just purchase whatever you need to complete your job. Getting the tank off of the toilet, it was no easy feat. In these little tight ass places right here, you damn near need a 2-year-old toddler, and not one of them 2-year-olds that's been eating Popeye's chicken since they was 3 months old. You need one of them 2-year-olds that ain't on preservatives and additives and shit, all that other shit they have in their food. So yeah, that was the hardest part, getting the tank off of the bowl, okay? Because not even a skinny friend could I call and say, squeeze in between here. Look at this tight space right here. Look at that sexy knee. What's she gonna do with it? Anyway, so yes, and that's a rubber washer down there. And you can see that it is been time for a sister to replace her guest bathroom. I've done cosmetic things, put a new paint job on it and all that other stuff, but yeah. So here are the other components. Oh, I had to purchase a hacksaw. A hacksaw does not come with it. And when I purchased the hacksaw, that's when I realized I needed to update my toolkit, because I have a toolkit that I keep for myself. So yes, ladies, tip number 2, get you a toolkit, okay? And maybe later on I'll do a video of my toolkit because it's cute. It is cute. I'm telling you, it's cute. But it's filled with all the things that I need to do a job. Okay, so I've got the tank back onto the toilet bowl. Now I'm about to squeeze my ass in between here and ease on down up in here and tighten the bolts, the tank to the bolt. All right, ladies, you're gonna have to get on your knees to tighten these bolts and nuts. You gotta tighten them nuts real good. I mean, shit, y'all know what it's like to get on your knees to do a job. Oh, shit. Me, myself, I prefer a chair, but I couldn't use no damn chair this time. Whew. Y'all hear me breathing? Whew. But I got this tank on this bowl. All right. Now, you see it right there? I'm gonna drop the washer down there. That's that old washer. Let me get all that up. Okay. So once you get it on there, you gotta tighten it up. Okay. Gotta tighten them nuts up. Grab them and twist them. I'm sure you're gonna grab them nuts and twist them. Tighten them up. All right. Now I got the flush valve in there, and now I have to install the fill valve right there. All right. Okay, ladies, I got the flush valve on, the refill, and the lever. Okay. You got to make sure when you put your tank top on that this little hose right here will fit in there. If it doesn't, you're gonna have to, cut it a little bit, okay? But I put the top of the tank on and it does fit in there, okay? And now I'm going to secure the refill valve to the tank. And then I'm going to move on to further steps of this process. Okay. All right, I got everything in, as you can see. All right, I got the fill valve on. You can't over tighten the fill valve, okay? That's not recommended. So now I'm going to turn the water on and see if I can get this where y'all can see me. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the water on to clean out the water line. Okay, and that's so you see mucky water. Things up in the line. I turn this on. And I'm cleaning out the water line, letting the water line clean up. Okay. And I gotta make sure it comes all the way on. You can see it's on, all right? The water line is coming out. All right. I'm gonna turn this off. And pour this water out. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right, so I've attached the water line, okay? And I'm looking for any leaks, okay? While the tank fills up with water. Any possible leaks or anything like that, okay? As you can see, it should stop at this water right here. The water line is right here. Y'all see this made in Mexico? Yeah, but it's made in Mexico. I'm trying to keep the Mexico going. Yeah. We got stuff from people that we don't even want in our country. But that is just me. If you know what I mean. Cheap labor. Cheap labor. Gotta get them what they want. Gotta get them what they need. Okay, so it's filling up, ladies. As you can see. And let me let you get another look at my bathroom. I see, I gotta, when I remodel this, oh, wait. Y'all just don't even know what a sister gonna do. Now my financial planner is my Facebook friend, okay? So I can't be up in here talking about some. I'm about to make it rain up in this bathroom. I gotta get my paper back up. Cause you know, a sister got off strike. You know? I just got off strike. I gotta build up my reserves again with my passive income. Okay, so the tank is filling up, ladies. We're gonna see. So far, I don't see any water leaking anywhere. Okay? Any water leaking anywhere. This is my guest bathroom. All right. Now that's the water level. Hold on, I got it. Oh, you hear that? Did you hear that? It stopped. All right. Next thing. Now I'm gonna flush. Okay, so what I need to do is adjust the chain, okay? Because when you flush it, you should get a good flush. You shouldn't have to flush it twice to get a good flush. So I'm just gonna adjust this chain right here. You know, tighten it a little bit. Still giving it some slack, okay? So it can get a good flush in there, okay? All right. I gotta get me a new toilet seat. But, yeah. Look at that there. Let me do it one more time so we can see. Okay, so I'm going to try flushing it again. So I'm gonna just drop a piece of toilet paper in there. Flush. There you go. All right. My guest bathroom hasn't been used in a month, y'all. I'm just gonna be real with you. Almost damn near 2 months. Cause I was like, I'm not paying no $250 to get this damn thing fixed, okay? Not when I'm about to remodel this bad boy. All right, so it's filling back up. And what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna put the tank top back on. Ensuring it to fit. There we have it. Okay. Never mind all this messiness, okay? Because y'all know Ruth keep a clean house. Ruth keep it clean. I don't mean to be showing you this shit, but you gotta know which way to go. Okay, ladies. After you finish installing your flush valve, your fill valve, you done took the tank off, put it back on, you have no leaks in your toilet, All you need to do now is complete the job. Get your favorite shot glass. This is my favorite shot glass. Party girl. Las Vegas. Woo-woo. Get you a bottle of whatever you prefer. I'm a whiskey drinker. I like that dark and brown liquor, honey. And I love this Hennessy Pure White. So let me pour me a glass of this, a little shot glass of this. Oh, Ruth, don't waste it. Don't waste the taste. Don't waste the taste, girl. Don't waste the taste. Don't waste the taste. All right. Whoo. Toast to myself for saving myself roughly $225. $225. That's what I did. $225. The kit was $19.99. The hacksaw was about $2-3. Yeah. I want to say, hey, what's up? Ladies, you can do it yourself. It may take you a little time, but you could do it yourself, okay? If I wasn't preoccupied with all those other things, I could have had this done a lot quicker. However, I ain't got no guests in my house, so I did the shit when I felt like it. I had the energy. You know what I'm saying? Shit, that's my house. Anyway, thank you and enjoy.